You're lying there, the days passing by, dreaming of a world but never reaching the sky. Time is ticking, life won't wait. The future's knocking, don't hesitate. You've got the fire, it's burning inside. Stop hiding in shadows, step into the light. The road might be tough, but you've got the key. Unlock your potential, set yourself free. Rise and shine, no time to waste. Every second counts, don't let it escape. Take a step, don't let fear bind. The world is yours, just make up your mind. Excuses fade, they're holding you down. You've got the tools to wear the crown. Lazy days won't build the dream. Push through the struggle, swim upstream. You've got the power, don't let it hide. Step out of the shadows, let courage be your guide. The mountain's high, but you're meant to climb. Turn today into your greatest time. Rise and shine, no time to waste. Every second counts, don't let it escape. Take a step, don't let fear bind. The world is yours, just make up your mind. Feel the spark, let it ignite. Turn the dark into blazing light. One small move, that's all it takes. A single leap can reshape your fate. So get up now, don't delay. Turn your dreams into the words you say. The world is waiting, the moment is near. Rise up strongly behind the fear. Rise and shine, no time to waste. Every second counts, don't let it escape. Take a step, don't let fear bind. The world is yours, just make up your mind.